Welcome back to another episode of How It Works. My name is Ken Baker from Green Pro Solutions, and today we're going to talk about forks. No, not the forks we eat with. These forks are specially designed for our systems, not for our systems, but the industry and agriculture. We know how difficult it is in the field to change out hoses, to fix hoses, to drain systems, unclogging, weatherization. So what we use are these fork fittings, and what we do, they're so very simple, is you're attaching, your unit, your two pieces together, and then you end up using a fork, which goes simply in and come out back out again, and then you can remove your part, and you're good. Instead of you're dealing with the threaded parts and dope tape and other things of that nature. Though we still have those on this unit in the manifold, as you can see here on this unit, most of them have fork fittings. And the purpose of this is if you want to drain this system, you pull the fork out, take the cap off, and you drain it. If you want to winterize it, or you need to flush it out and just clean it between products. These are very durable. They hold under great pressure. What we do need to, only one real maintenance thing you need to do with these things are the O-rings. Now these are Viton O-rings, they're green. There's also black ones as well. What we'd recommend, depending on the product that you're using, the cost point on these things are a little bit more than the other ones. But what's essential is every season, we'd recommend changing all the O-rings in your fittings. And using a non-petroleum gel on these to be able to push the unit back in and out. Now what the petroleum products do, you can contact us, we can give you some pointers of where you can get this. But what the petroleum products will do, it will cause the O-rings to swell, and when you go to put them back in, they have a tendency of pinching, and you don't know it. And then when you go to use the unit, you have a lot of cavitation and air in the system. And that's what's happening, is that it's sucking air because the O-rings are pinched. They're actually too large because they're swollen. So I recommend to maintain these. The green ones have a little bit more longevity and dependability, but I would still routinely change them every year just for the being out in the workplace and not having to have any downtime. So and the fork fittings, as you see, come in all different shapes and sizes. And they're mainly, again, easy for access and maintenance. Thank you for joining us.